Hey everyone, it is Coffee Jesus Homeschool. I just got out of the tub. I have a wicked migraine today. And so I've got a bunch of essential oil in or on, and I'm just Xing out my address here. And I wanted to come on and do an unboxing of some scrubs from RMF. RMF Scrubs is an online discount scrub retailer. They sell discount scrubs. They have a big American flag on their page, but I don't actually think the scrubs are manufactured in the US, nor do I feel like most of their team is in the US, because from what I can tell, with the processing time, I'm guessing that they come from overseas. So I got this big, huge bag of scrubs. For any of you that don't know, my education background is nursing, and I have a 2-year hospital-based diploma in nursing, and so I have not been practicing nursing because I received my training in Canada, and it was a big schmozzle trying to transfer everything down here. And when we first moved, my husband didn't feel like me working with something that was in the best interest of our family. So I didn't try to get my license down here. And then now that I haven't been practicing for several years in like a registered capacity, a licensed capacity, then, and on a floor or in a nursing home, I'm having to jump through some hoops, but going back to work was something that I knew was going to have to happen, even if it was part-time, to augment child support. So I thought I should get my license pulled together sooner than later. And I realized that most of my scrubs that I had from when I was nursing before didn't fit. So I went online and I found this company called RMF Scrubs. There is no YouTube videos reviewing them. There is no real Facebook presence for them besides their own page posting things. People aren't talking about RMF Scrubs. And so I thought, okay, what the heck? I will order a bunch and I will do an unboxing, and then I will do a review. I have scrub skirts from Uniform Advantage, and they are $19.99 a piece. And I got each set of scrubs that I purchased, I got for $17.99 for the whole set. So the first thing I got, so I thought, at that price, if they don't work out, we're fine. But if they do work out, then yay. So the first thing I got was this printed top. I love printed tops. And this was called Bird Top. So it is a V-neck, 2 pockets. Got the little side slit, which I love. And it's a super cute print. And it says Birdie, Bloom, Loom. I think it's supposed to say Bloom. Okay, so maybe these are discount because they're like seconds. Oh well. It's cute. It's super cute. I love the colors. Pinks and teals and turquoise, black, lime green, all sorts of colors you can pull out of there. So that's cute. I will try all these on at a later date. But right now this is just an unboxing. And then this is the raspberry that I got so that the skirt could go with the top. And, oh, there it is. Oh, that is cute. That is cute. It's an elastic with a drawstring, and it flares out at the bottom. And so I've got this, and then I got the top to go with it, and this is just their regular poly cotton blend, and this set was $14.99. So cute. Then the next set that I got was Ciel Blue, and this is their stretch. This is their new stretch scrubs, and it is 97% cotton, and then there's a little bit of spandex in there. So this is just a 2-pocket top, V-neck. Oh, and it is so stretchy. Ooh, I think I'm gonna love that. And let's see the skirt. Oh, look at that. Yep, I think I'm gonna love this. That's backwards. Again, it's got a little bit of stretch to it. Not a ton, but a little bit. Oh, I like that. Looks big, but we'll see. So I got that. Whoops. Then, okay, we've had quite a few interruptions, so I don't know where I left off. But I did get the burgundy set. That's the skirt. I'm gonna have to wash them, and they're cotton and spandex, so they're gonna wrinkle fairly easily. So I'm gonna probably need to wash them and then maybe iron them, depending. And then I'm a hot mess today, folks. Sorry about that. And then I got this navy pair, this navy set. And again, it's the 2-pocket top, cotton with that little bit of stretch, and then the little side vents, which I love. And then, oh, careful please. Then the navy skirt, just basic, A-lined, and then there's a little slit at the bottom for comfort when you're walking. And then, excuse the mess, and then I got this random top, and to go with either the Ciel skirt, or if these were okay, I'd order black. This is a black shirt, and it's got some Ciel detailing on it, and I thought that was super cute. And that's just their regular collection, so that's just the poly cotton blend, made in Pakistan. So yeah, I guess yeah, so that's where they're from. So all of this I got one regular set of the poly cotton. I got three of the stretch sets, and then I got 2 additional shirts, one printed and one of their fashion tops, and it came to just over $75. I think it was 78 bucks. So I'm excited to try them on. I'm excited to see how they're going to fit and how they're going to look and how they're going to wash. So I will wash them and get them ready to be tried on, and I'll do a video of that. But yeah, so RMF Scrubs, this is the unboxing. I'm going to get into the details of pricing of all of their different things. I mean, they're cheap. Like, they are cheap. You can get, like, if you wear scrub pants, you can get a scrub set with pants for like 10 bucks, top and shirt. Maybe something to look into if you are like doing your CNA training and you need to have like all burgundy scrubs or all, navy, and it's not something you're going to wear after you're done your however long CNA training is, 6 months or whatever your course is, 6 weeks. Something where you're not going to be wanting to keep them anyway. They do personalization, so you can get your name embroidered on them or a logo put on them, which is super nice as well. So, and again, they're inexpensive, so I will get them washed and worn and some videos put up of that to let you know. But so far, so good. All right, thanks guys. Bye.